Often our learning programs are designed to meet a criteria that requires an educational background that not everybody would have access to. Investing in programs like Upskills, like Project Akuna, challenges those bias and hopefully encourages other organisations to understand what were the successes that we saw, what were the values that we heard, and do we see them replicated throughout our streams of learning. At SkyCity Entertainment Group, our workforce represents just under 5,000 across both Australia and New Zealand properties, of which about 15% of that workforce identify as either Māori or Pacifica. The Introduction to Leadership course is spread over a 16-hour allotment. We've chosen here to divide those into 4 segments of 4 hours. Part of those pieces has been challenging them on what their SMART goals are, how to have those courageous conversations, and in general their understanding of what it means to be a leader and equipping them to challenge those Western or corporate notions of what leadership traditionally is.
Before, I was this type of person that would easily get angry at like the littlest things, not really be a good role model to people. And coming into this kind of like taught me a lot more to be the better person that I am now.
This leadership course was really about bringing that authenticity to the workplace and stay grounded in my values as a Pacific person. There's a proverb within Samoan, e suile whainga ai tu maule whaawai, which means the ways of doing or the ways of practices may change, but the foundations remain the same. And that's something I've tried to take with me throughout my journey here. A leader is someone that serves and is able to, I guess, uplift and champion our people.
It's been incredibly successful, and I think the feedback that I've heard, not just from my direct reports, but from the entire cohort, has been wonderfully positive. In particular, that aspect of seeing facilitators who look and sound like them, encouraging that future development. We've got a significant portion of our workforce that demonstrate leadership outside of those niche categories. I think there's a lot of justification for supporting that.